Hello children, look at me, I am a heart shape. I look soft, round, and lovely. A heart shape is special because it shows love, care, and kindness.
Hello children, look at this flower. It is in a heart shape. People make flowers in heart shapes to show love and happiness.
Hello children, look at this cushion. It is also a heart shape. Heart-shaped cushions are used to decorate rooms and make them feel cozy and loving.
Hello little stars, welcome back to our new session. Today we are going to learn about a very lovely and special shape called the heart. So please look carefully at the page and keep your eyes on the pictures. Look at this big heart shape on the page. See how it is smooth and round at the top and comes to a point at the bottom. This is called a heart shape, and we often use it to show love, care, and kindness. Now look at the flower on the page. These flowers are arranged in a heart shape. People give heart-shaped flowers to make others feel happy and loved, so the heart shape makes the flower look more beautiful. Next, look at the cushion on the page. This cushion is also in a heart shape. Heart-shaped cushions are soft and cozy, and people use them to decorate their rooms and make them feel warm and loving. So little stars, today you learned about the heart shape. You saw it in a heart shape, a flower, and a cushion. Keep looking around you and try to find more heart shapes. Bye-bye. See you.
Hello children, I am number 15. Look at me! I am made of 1 and 5. Together we make 15.
Hello children, we are balloons.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Hello little stars, welcome back to our new session. Today we are going to meet a new number friend, number 15. So please look carefully at the page and get ready to count with me. This is number 15. It is made by joining 1 and 5. And when they come together, they make the number 15. Now look at the balloons on the page. Let us count them slowly and clearly together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Number 15 helps us count objects, balloons, toys, and many other things around us. So it is a very useful and friendly number.
Hello friend, this is my kitchen. Look, here's the fridge, the gas stove, the coffee table, and utensils. The chimney is so beautiful.
Welcome back children. Today, we are going to learn about a kitchen. This is a kitchen. A kitchen is a place where tasty and yummy food is cooked by our mother. This is a sink. We wash our hands and utensils in the sink. This is a fridge. We keep fruits, vegetables, and food in the fridge. Look at the dining table. We keep plates and eat food on the dining table. We can see plates, spoons, utensils, etc. in the kitchen. Very good.
Little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet, eating her curd and jam. Along came a spider who sat down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away.
Children, always wash your hands before eating.
Yes, Mommy, clean hands first. I washed my hands too.
Wonderful! Now we can eat.
We do not carry toys to the table.
Okay, Mommy, toys stay away.
Table time is for food.
Place your napkin on your lap.
My napkin is ready. Mine too.
Stay at the table until you finish eating.
I will finish my food first. We stay seated.
Chew with your mouth closed. I am chewing nicely.
Closed mouth, good manners.
Do not talk with food in your mouth. Sorry, Mommy, I will talk after eating.
That is good manners. Brr!
Cover your mouth when you burp.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Very good.
Nice manners.
Wipe your mouth with a napkin.
All clean, all clean.
Good job. Do not slurp food or drinks. I will eat quietly.
Quiet eating is nice.
clean your spot at the table.
My place is clean. I like a clean table.
Please, can I have some water?
Thank you, Mommy. Please and thank you are
Hello children, before we start eating our food, we must always wash our hands properly with soap and water. Clean hands keep us healthy and make our food safe to eat. Hello children, before we start eating our food, we must always wash our hands properly with soap and water. Clean hands keep us healthy and make our food safe to eat. Children, remember that the dining table is only for food. Toys should stay away. When we keep toys off the table, we can eat neatly and safely. Now children, place your napkin gently on your lap. The napkin helps keep your clothes clean while you're enjoying your meal. Good children always sit calmly at the table until their food is finished. Getting up early is not polite and can make the table messy. Children, always chew your food with your mouth closed. This looks nice and helps us eat properly without making noise. Remember children, never talk when food is in your mouth. First chew and swallow, then you may speak politely. If you feel like burping, cover your mouth with your hand. This is good manners and shows respect to others. If you feel like burping, cover your mouth with your hand. This is good manners and shows respect to others. Children, do not slurp your food or drinks. Eating quietly makes everyone feel comfortable at the table. When your mouth gets messy, use your napkin to wipe it neatly. Clean eating is part of good table manners. After finishing your meal, clean your place at the table. This shows responsibility and good habits. Good children always say please when asking for something and thank you after receiving it. These magic words make everyone happy.
Hello, children. I am letter E. I make the sound E.
Hello children, I am elephant. E is for elephant. I live in the jungle. Hello children, I am eagle. E is for eagle. I fly high in the sky.
Hello, children. I am eraser. E is for eraser. I help clean mistakes. Hello, children. I am ear. E is for ear. I help you hear sounds. Hello, children. I am elbow. E is for elbow. I help your arm move. Hello, children. I am emu. I am a big bird and I like to run.
Hello little stars, welcome back to our new session. Today we are going to learn a new letter E. So sit nicely, open your eyes and get ready to learn. Look at this picture children. E is for elephant. Elephant is a big animal and it lives in the jungle. Now look here children. E is for eagle. Eagle is a bird and it flies high in the sky. Eagle has very sharp eyes. Children, see this bird. E is for emu. Emu is a big bird and it likes to run fast, but emu cannot fly in the sky. Now look here children. Look at this orange and blue colored eraser. E is for eraser. Eraser helps us clean our mistakes. Children, see this is a part of the body. E is for ear. Ear helps us hear sounds and music. Children, see this is a part of the body. This arm part elbow. E is for elbow. Elbow helps our arm bend and move. Very good little stars. Today you learned the letter E and many E words.